Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial series on how to use our Play Services billing plugin in Unreal Engine. In this series, we'll be going through each step and all the functionality available and how to set it up in your project. The plugin is compatible with Unreal Engine 4.27 and above. Currently, Epic Games does not allow us to provide updated binaries for any versions older than the last 3 major engine versions. If you have an older version, such as Unreal Engine 4.27, you can simply send us your receipt via email requesting these binaries, and after they have been verified, we will send through the Unreal Engine 4.27 compatible binaries and installation instructions. If you are comfortable doing the conversion yourself, there are no special code changes required, and you do not need to wait for us to have your receipt verified. Let's run through our getting started guide quickly, and then I'll end off with a few special notes to keep in mind while watching the series. You will find a lot of useful information on our website. Specifically, we have all the documentation that we're going to be going through in our video tutorial series, all the objects you'll find within the plugin, and also we have a release notes page which gives us general news about all our plugins. Specifically for this video tutorial series, it may be worth noting that we have a Play Billing release notes page which gives you notices of any changes made and the version corresponding to it. The first thing you'll need to do is purchase the plugin on the Unreal Engine official marketplace. As you can see, it looks like this, and it's owned by Pirate Gaming. Once you've got the plugin purchased, you can install the plugin in your Epic Games launcher from your library page. Go to the library tab and find the plugin to add it to the engine. Then we need to make sure that within Unreal Engine that we have the Play Services billing plugin enabled. So let's have a quick look at that. This is just an Unreal Engine 5.3 demo project, which you'll be seeing throughout this video tutorial series. We'll go into more details about what we have here in the next video. So for now, let's go into Edit, Plugins, and then search for Play Services Billing. And as you can see here, we've got it in our list and it's enabled. The next step is to disable any other billing plugins. A lot of our clients have had other plugins that manage billing from before this plugin was released, and these pull in different library versions which cause conflicts. So make sure that they're all disabled before using ours. Then we need to enable Google Play support. So if we go to Unreal Engine, Edit, Project Settings, and we scroll down to the Platforms and Android section, and then we scroll further down to the Google Play Services category, we need to make sure we have Google Play support enabled. Then finally, you need to add your Google Play license key. You can find your license key from the Google Play console under the monetization section. Once you have that, you just scroll down a little bit further, and then you have your Google Play license key over here, and you can insert it here. It will be a base64 large encoded string. There are just a few things I would like you to keep in mind while implementing this in your project. It is very important to not have other billing plugins installed, as their library versions will conflict, making functionality unpredictable. All the blueprint nodes we will see that have delegates are asynchronous. Our first video will go into more detail about this though. We do not want to waste your time, so we do not cover the following blueprint nodes: is feature supported and is billing ready, because they are fairly self-explanatory and would only bulk up our video lengths, so we have chosen to ignore them for the series. Please take note of them though, as they can be useful for keeping your application flow robust. However, our on-failure delegates, which you will see, do handle cases when a feature isn't supported or there are network connectivity issues. And finally, if you have any problems while implementing this in your project, please feel free to contact us. We have a Discord server with a forum with a lot of questions people have asked and answers for them. And we have our email over here, which you can mail us with any questions if you do not have Discord. And of course, we have Twitter or X available as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.